And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January the 7th, 2019. Let's get started, grab a sip of coffee, and see what the market has given us since yesterday. That's what the market does. It just keeps on giving. It's kind of funny that way. All right, BTC USD on the one-day Coinbase. It gave us a new candle, and it is a little sliver of a green, so that's awesome. Yesterday was a little bit of a pullback, not the big giant pullback I was looking for. Listen, this is just a theory. Don't sell it, okay? Remember, we're going off of my buy signals, and there'll be, like, if I say sell it, right? If I went, oh yeah, we're selling, you'll see one of those and we're getting out. But that's not the case here. We're still in a buy, okay? And been kind of moving up nicely. We're above the 9-day and it's looking good. Let's look at some indicators. All right, so this is the scary part, and this I hope doesn't make my my thought here come true. This is what we got. Diminishing volume, okay? RSI coming up. Money flow is a mixed bag right now, but it's kind of just going to trend sideways. That's really what I get out of it. So we're just trending sideways. Don't expect much out of this market right now. Hopefully we get a pop soon, and hopefully it's to the upside and this doesn't play out. Let's move on. BTC, that was BTC USD. Let's check out total coin market cap at $132 billion. We are above, still bullish. Love it. Yep, looking good. ETC, BTC, or ETH, Ethereum, Bitcoin on the one-day Binance. A couple days back, I circled this top. I pointed out that this could be it. Look for a 2, possibly to 4 candle pullback, and then maybe more continuation of the upside. But beware, we are now below the 9-day. Okay, this is not good territory to be in if you're Ethereum / Bitcoin. So it looks like Ethereum's losing out right now to the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is actually, Bitcoin isn't really running up. It's Ethereum going down. So let's check that out real quick. Ethereum USD. There it is. Yeah, it's done a little pullback. It's not terrible, but you know, it is what it is. But Ethereum, BTC, be careful. We are almost out of sell here. Tomorrow might actually give us a sell if we're not careful. Let's move on to XRP BTC. Still a sell, coming down, starting to give us some green here. I noticed yesterday we came up and we back tested that 50-day moving average and then sold back down. So the trend is still down. I would stay out of it for now until we get a full reversal. It is a mixed bag right now. We've got real sad looking volume. We did get a RSI golden cross, but again, it probably wouldn't start performing until it gets above that 50, so we have some time. And then we got a golden cross, but it's a mixed bag because we've got mixed signals here. And also this is let me pull this up. I believe it's a CCI right here. Yes, that is saying to stay out of it for now. We're in the red territory. Let's move on to XRP USD C on the Coinbase. Still a buy, but barely. Let's move on. LTC USD on the one-day Coinbase. It is $38.31, and we are still running bullish. Looking good, looking real good. We're coming up here on that 100-day moving average. That's why I added this. You'll notice that this is brand new. I have the 9-day, the 50, the 100, and the 200-day moving averages out here. I'm just seeing how they're all playing together. And I did pull off the Kumo cloud. LTC still a buy. Let's move on to LTC, BTC. LTC still the favorite. Stay in it. Ethereum. Oh, we already did that. ZeroX. 32 cents. Now we've had a nasty little pullback. It shied away from the 50-day moving average. So we shall see. It looks like boy, this is really kind of, I like this part here. Money flow's looking okay, but, and CCI is above. So I'm going to stay in it. Volume is lacking though, and RSI I do like. So I'm going to stay in it and we'll see where it takes us. Basic attention token, BAT. USDC on the 1-day Coinbase. Cheers to you guys. I'm going to take a little drink here. Basic attention token, still a buy. We got our buy signal. We waited for confirmation and it showed up. We're still in it. Let's see where it takes us. ETC USD on the 1-day. I'm going to call this one a sell based on FA and not TA. The fundamental analysis is that this coin got hacked, right? So I'm dumping it. It got hacked, and I don't know if it's, how bad it is or what it means for the coin or whatever, but I'm pulling profit and I'm getting out. That's it. This is just it. We are opening right now below the line. I don't know. I would just let it ride for a while. I'm going to put this one as a sell. So noted. I'm walking away, right? We're in profit and I'm just walking away because there's drama and it's pretty serious and I don't want to deal with it. So moving on. Zetcoin, ZEC, USD. Stay in it. Yep. Indicators look good. We just need a little more volume. Actually, a lot more would be sweet, but stay in it. Digibyte. Hello, Digibyte. It's been running up real nice. We're doing a pullback since we got this new candle. This pullback's lasted about an hour and 10 minutes. But I'm actually thinking it'll pull back a little bit, but I'm hoping the uptrend continues. Yeah, I mean, I'd hate to see. It's possible this is a top, believe it or not. It could very well be a top, which would be a real bummer. But just because I'm looking at this as a 1, 2, 3 pattern formation and it just looks toppy, you know what I mean? So let me circle it. This is a cautionary tale. Get out of it, okay? Scalp it. That's what this means. Circling it means scalping. These are the actual sell signals, buy signals. So hopefully you're totally out or totally in based on these arrows. I'm trying to make it easy for you guys, but these are just opportunities. So you could scalp it and then maybe put a buyback in at the 9-day, or if the trend down continues, whatever, it may even go below and retest the 50-day moving average. So this scalping opportunity would be real good. But overall it's still bullish and I'd stay in it. Moving on, TRX, BTC. Speaking of scalping it, that was probably a quick turnaround if you were trading it on the hour chart or even like a 15 or 5 minute. This right here could have been a nice little scalp because it did pull back quite a ways before running right back up, and now we're kind of moving on up. Still staying bullish, stay in it. Tron, just a healthy beast. This thing is a monster, and good news coming out about Tron all the time, so liking that. Coffee, delicious. I think I only got a bag and a half left of that Christmas blend, and it is going fast, so I'm like just trying to Save it, savor it. It's real good. All right, moving on to Theta token / Bitcoin. Okay, guys, we got in this thing, but it's just been a trending sideways, just not giving us much. Okay, now there were tons of scalping opportunities. If like you saw this run up and you got out, you know, and then it came down, and you saw this run up and you got out, you know, and it came down. So there's always opportunity there to make more theta or to make a little money. So it's just a matter of playing it. So, but theta, I'm staying in it. It's still, to me, it's still a buy. It's not, I mean, how far down could it go? I mean, look at this base we're putting in. I don't want to sell in the base, right? This is probably going to form one gigantic bowl, and it'll be kind of nice. So, yeah, stay in it. Proppy, PRO / BTC on the 1-day Bittrex. Still a sell. Still stay out of it. Nothing to see here, people. Populous PPT / Bitcoin. Well. What do we have here? Boy, this has been like a big old disappointment. You know, I don't even want to sell it because it's just not doing anything. Let's look at this 9-day. Just zooming in a little bit. We don't have a full open and close below it. I'm just going to hold on to it, right? I like this signal. This was good. I love that run up. It was kind of a precursor to, in my opinion, of things to come. I'm staying in it. OMG. Terrible 2-day sell-off, at least for this kind of flat. I mean, it's just kind of average, I guess. But it's showing me some green now, and let's see. Let's take a look at this. Boy, you know, the news hasn't been real great on Cocoscope lately either. A lot of promises not kept. But I'm going to stay in this. Probably turn red on me here in just a second. I'm going to stay in it. Just, it's probably foolish, but I'm going to stay in it for one more day and see if we can't get above that 9-day and 50-day where we're merging together. I'm waiting for that golden cross to show up. It is right there. I mean, come on, guys. Let's get a... Come on, Omise. Give me that golden cross. You know we all need that golden cross. So I'm going to stay in it. AMB. Ambrosis to the USD. Stay in it. Looking good. Running up. My one token is now worth 7.7 cents. Or 0.00077 cents. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I like it. I'm staying in it. HMQ. Oh boy. Famous last words. I'll just stay in it. We'll see. You know, what can it do? Well, here it is. This is what it could do. It could give you a nasty red candle and just terminate the uptrend. I don't know about this. It's so bad that there might not be anything here. I'm probably just a fool for holding on to it. Yeah, there's no pop here. There's just not happening. So, yeah, there's been a couple times where I thought the pop was really going to come rolling in, but it hasn't. So, anyway, I am going to... I'm going to switch this one over. Yeah, because RSI is coming down, and we're below the 9-day currently. Weak volume. Money flow's coming in though, but CCI is coming down. Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to put this one in as a sell, and it's going to have to prove itself. What I'm going to do is, my idea is that I'm going to wait for a pop, and I'm going to sell it for what we got into it. Okay, so I'm just going to call it a sell, switch this one over. Humanique just not performing. This is real weak. It could have done anything during any of those times, did nothing. Now we got a death cross. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I'm out. I'm putting a sell in for what I got it into it, so it's fine. XLM, we'll call it a wash. XLM BTC. Okay, I saw this and I was like, okay, all right. This is good. This is good news. Everything looks really good. I love the positioning on it, and you're welcome to jump in on this a little early. I'm thinking it's going to go good. But more than that, I think what we're going to have is this right here is going to sell down to the 9-day. So I wouldn't buy it here. I'd wait for the pullback. Let's see if I can pull this up a little bit for you. I would wait for that pullback right there. This most likely will pull back. If it's not on this candle, it'd probably be over here on the next one. So I think you can get a better price than it is currently. Yeah, I would just put that stop buy in somewhere, and nice and low on the line, or maybe just a hair above it. And see if you get it. I'm not putting it in as a buy yet because I need a full open and close above the line. And obviously we got to open, but I need a close. So I'm not touching it yet. Even though everything here is good. Okay, everything looks good. And positioning looks good. I just need it to prove it to me. So I'm leaving XLM here right now, just like that. But I'm telling you, this could be a buy tomorrow. ADA. Wow. Okay, Cardano's been doing really good. In fact, this is a real nice double top here. I would say maybe today or tomorrow of a pullback at least. I am concerned now about money flow on this one. Yeah, I want to see a turnaround here for sure. But this looks toppy to me, and I'm going to circle that, right? So that could have been your top right there. Double top. Boom. Well, yeah, I would. It's still a buy. I mean, that's the bottom line. Is it still a buy? But yeah, I'd stay in it. Yeah, but the pullback's been far enough now that I'm not sure if you want to scalp it, right? Because it's already kind of too far in. But maybe, just put that stop buy in, a little bit, that's all right. You can make a little bit there, I guess. But anyway, that could be a double top. Look out for this. Tezos. Look at this. It went and just took off above that 50 and then pulled right back down. Oh, come on. Are you serious? I want to see some liftoff. And then look at the dump right here. No volume at all. Like everyone just left the building. This is terrible. Okay, so golly. This is just a mess. I'm going to stay in it. I'm going to stay in it though. Wow, this is like almost to me like a precursor to like, hey, we could go up this high. So yeah, we'll see. I want a better price. I'm staying in it. QLC. Okay, so we got a few tops here looking good. Busted through the 200-day moving average. Just absolutely spectacular. I like QLC chain here. I was introduced to it by one of the members in our group. He owns it, and it's I had never heard of it, and now it's like, hey, I like this. I really like this. So anyway, QLC still a buy. We got a mixed bag here of money flow. We've been pulling back, but we're still above the 9-day. I would stay in it. It's still a buy. Aeon BTC. Ooh. Well, stay out of it. I wouldn't touch it. Bitcoin Cash SV. Well, what do we got here? Don't touch it. Doge still going down. Wow. And we've got a death cross here now at the 50. That was a good call. Okay. EOS. Oh boy, EOS, come on, you get up there, keep going. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep our eye on this. This might be a break-even trade. All right, I mean any lower and it could be. I'm gonna keep it in as still a buy, but just a word of caution here. That's all. Look at this. We got a golden cross, which is really great around the 50. I'm assuming that because we broke above it, it may want to back test that 50 before moving higher again. And it might be on this candle or the next. So hold on to it. Still a buy. And here's pay, BTC, still going down. Stay out of it. I'm going to leave you guys with this. Bitcoin. BTC USD on the 1-day Coinbase, $4,008. Just a real thin candle here, nothing going on. Yeah, probably just going to be a quiet day today and tomorrow, and the rest of the night and tomorrow, and we'll see what the next day candle brings. Thank you guys for joining me this evening. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm out.